Zipper tape is a great way to get the perfect custom length for your next sewing project, but installing those zipper pulls, not so fun. No need for extra gadgets or that fork, just your hands and a solid surface. That's all coming up in today's episode of The Sewing Report. This is going to be a quick demonstration of how to put a zipper pull onto zipper tape. Zippers come in many different forms, some already pre-cut with the zipper tab on it. Some you can get zipper tape like this. This is, I believe, 3 yards. And this is a number 3 zipper, so it's a little bit smaller. There's also number 5 zippers. I'll show you right here. This is a number 5 zipper, so you can see this one is quite a bit larger. But I'm going to be working with a number 3 zipper on an upcoming project, and I want to install the zipper pull. Okay, first, you can see the way the little teeth are facing, see? So they're sort of curved down on the outside. That's the side I want to insert the zipper pull. This is the zipper pull. You can see it's got 2 sides. The top side is a little bit curved, and then the bottom side is flat. But on each side, there is a groove for the tape to go through. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I've already pulled out a little bit of the tape. You can see that the left side is like 1 pull higher than the right side. So that's the side I'm going to insert first. And I'm going to be inserting the curved side in first. Okay, so I'm going to do the left side first, like this. All right, and then while I'm holding it, I'm going to insert the right side, and hopefully they line up pretty well. Okay, luckily there's a pretty good starter here. All right, look at that. Really easy. I know sometimes you might run into the thing where this is uneven, and you might have to do it a couple times just to get it lined up, but check this out. You can actually zip it all the way to the end if you want. Look how much zipper tape this is. I'm really excited. I really think this zipper is pretty. This is by Sally Tomato, and it is a number 3 zipper. We're gonna do a quick repeat. So let's pull the tape apart again. Zipper pull number 2. Insert this side. Insert this side. And I like the ends of my zipper tape to be even so that you can tell when you're pulling it through. It's easier to tell whether it's lined up correctly if the ends are even. All right. So it worked out really well. Cool. Now let's try a number 5 zipper. This one is a little bit larger, really cute. I have these in the Sewing Report Etsy shop. Love these. The stripes are so cool. Here's my little bag of zipper pulls. Really big fan of these. They are so pretty. There we go. This is the zipper pull. It is larger. Hopefully you guys can see okay. This is the top. It's got a little curved part, and you can see this is where the tape goes. This is the bottom. It's flat. I'm just going to go ahead and take this apart an inch or so. And once again, the left side is the slightly higher side. It's got 1 more tooth on that side. And then put the right side in. For some reason, I do find these zippers a little more challenging to get the pull. I think it's because sometimes the tape gets caught on the side and it's just a larger tape. Okay, here we go. This is lined up right, so I think we're good. I have seen little gadgets online that you can buy to make this easier, but I've personally found I haven't really needed a tool, so I've just been doing it by hand and it's been working out okay. Let's get another one out. I just did my nails. What do you guys think? I'm going for kind of a Saved by the Bell, the Max look, I guess, here. Obviously, it's been a little bit easier since I've got this little leader part here. So I'm also going to do it one more time and cut this off so I do not have any leeway here. And we'll see how that goes. We're going to make a cut here. And this is because when you're working with the zipper tape, as you use it, you're obviously going to have parts like this with it cut off where you don't have that little leader section to help you. So we're going to see what happens with that. We got the tape, we got the zipper pull, and once again the left side is just a little bit higher than the right. Let's pull this apart. So I'm going to insert the left side and then insert the right side, but I want it to be even with the other side. So that's like the tricky part. You see, like right now it's not really even, so I kind of want to pull this out and try to get these in so that they are even. I think that looks better. And yeah, this is a little bit trickier because you're working with ends without any slack on it, so that's a little bit tough. So what do you do now? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this down on the table. Yeah, it's not quite even, so I'm gonna do it again, but my method is just hold my fingers down like this and then use that to keep the zipper tape in place. All right, so we're just gonna hold this guy in here. All right, put this guy in here. All right, all right, I feel like this is gonna be about even here. All right, let's hold this guy down on the table. All right, this is what we're looking for here. You can see the left side is 1 tooth higher than the right side, which is how we started. So here is our zipper tape. And here we are with completed zippers with pulls. This is the number 3 zipper and this is the number 5 zipper on the bottom. If you have any tips yourself for working with zipper tape, feel free to drop them down in the comments. I know there are multiple ways to accomplish this. I just wanted to show you the way that's been working for me. This has been an episode of The Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about making sewing and crafts fun and approachable. I'll see you guys again in the next one. And remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.